Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 psychological tips and tricks that can help you better understand the body language of girls and how to interpret it. Tip number 1. Pay attention to her eyes. A girl's eyes can reveal a lot about how she feels. If she's interested, her pupils may dilate, and she may maintain eye contact longer than usual. Tip number 2. Observe her facial expressions. Facial expressions can give you an indication of how she's feeling. Smiling or a relaxed expression indicates comfort and interest, while a furrowed brow or pursed lips may indicate discomfort or disinterest. Tip number 3. Look for mirroring. When someone is interested in you, they may subconsciously mirror your body language. If you lean forward, she may lean forward too, or if you cross your legs, she may do the same. Tip number 4. Pay attention to her posture. A girl's posture can also provide insights into how she's feeling. If she's standing tall with her shoulders back, she's likely feeling confident and comfortable. If she's slouching or crossing her arms, she may be feeling defensive or uncomfortable. Tip number 5. Notice her gestures. Girls may use gestures to communicate their thoughts and feelings. For example, fidgeting with her hair may indicate nervousness or flirting, while touching her face or rubbing her neck may indicate discomfort. Tip number 6. Watch for changes in breathing. When someone is feeling anxious or nervous, their breathing may become shallow or rapid. If you notice her breathing pattern changing, it may be an indication that she's feeling uneasy. Tip number 7. Listen to her tone of voice. The tone of a girl's voice can reveal a lot about her emotions. If she's excited, her voice may be higher pitched, while a low or monotone voice may indicate boredom or disinterest. Tip number 8. Notice her movements. Girls may use their body language to express themselves, so keep an eye out for any significant movements. For example, if she's bouncing her leg or tapping her foot, she may be feeling anxious or impatient. Tip number 9. Pay attention to her proximity. The distance between you and a girl can also provide clues about how she's feeling. If she's standing or sitting close to you, she may be interested in you, while maintaining a distance may indicate discomfort or disinterest. Tip number 10. Trust your gut. Ultimately, your instincts are your best guide. If you feel like something's off or you're not sure how to interpret a girl's body language, it's okay to ask her directly or to take a step back and reassess the situation. That's it for this video. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they will assist you in reading the body language of girls more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.